Hi, it's Alane Freund, your international consultant on high sensitivity. There I am. I'm in Oklahoma helping my mom with her little horse. And I was just thinking about what are the things that you do to replenish your resources. And are these things that help fix you when you're stressed, overwhelmed, over-aroused, overstimulated? Not so much, actually. What these things are things that prevent overstimulation. Remember this, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. So what are your things? What is it for you right now? I'm on the back of a horse. This is how I grew up. I'm in Oklahoma where the sky is big and beautiful and the land knows me and I know it, and the little wildflowers are all over the place. And the wind comes sweeping down the plain. So think about that today, will you? How can you replenish and store up great resources so that you can also prevent over